Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel Food Gossips. In this video, I'm going to make very tasty and scrumptious penne pasta with sausages. This sausage pasta recipe is quick and easy meal with incredible flavors, perfect for lunch or dinner. So let's make it, but before that, I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel Food Gossips and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. So first we'll take chicken sausages and we will cut them into thin slices, just like this. Then we will take two medium sized tomatoes और उसको हम रोस्ट कर लेंगे मीडियम फ्लेम पे equally from all sides. Now we will peel off the tomato skin and इसको roughly chop कर लेंगे. Next we will take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, half tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 medium chopped onion and saute until it becomes translucent. Then we will add sliced chicken sausages and cook them for almost a minute until or unless they become brown in color. Just like this. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes and again हम इसको 2 minutes के लिए कुक करेंगे. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 green chilies, quarter cup of water. अब इसको कवर कर देंगे and almost 2 to 3 minutes के लिए लो फ्लेम पर कुक करेंगे. After 2 to 3 minutes we will add boiled penne pasta. इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे. Add half cup of cheddar cheese, chopped coriander and again mix it well. इसको कवर कर देंगे and almost for 2 to 3 minutes cook करेंगे and that's it. Tasty and delicious penne pasta with sausages is completely ready. अब इसको हम डिश आउट कर लेंगे. I hope आपको मेरी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. Thank you for watching it. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum.